Hey everyone, welcome to Pilot Outdoors Hangar Live. In this series, we'll dive into each feature, show you how it works, and explain why it matters in the real world. Let's jump in. Ever had a cooler lid suddenly drop on your hand? When you're packing drinks, grabbing ice, or letting kids reach inside, a heavy lid can become a real problem. That's why Pilot Outdoors coolers come with built-in hand saver anti-crush protection. It helps prevent the lid from crushing your fingers during an accidental or uncommanded closure. So whether you're at the beach, camping, fishing, or packing for a family trip, your cooler is designed with extra safety in mind. And the best part? This protection is built in at no extra cost. Pilot Outdoors, built tough, built cold, and built to protect your hands. Thanks for joining me on Pilot Outdoors Hangar Live. See you next time for another cooler feature.